Do you remember the age of dinosaurs and how they became extinct? Well, if you don't know, then all credit goes to a large asteroid with a diameter about 10 to 15 km. But that happened millions years ago. Now is the era of humans. In our lifetime, how often we see this type of large asteroid collide with us? Maybe few. Still, there are some, but not that large enough to destroy a whole human species. Does that mean that huge asteroid never came in our direction from that day? Nah. There is someone who protects us from all these dangers, and his name is Jupiter. But Jupiter isn't the only one who protects us. Just look at those craters on Moon. But that is so small compared to Jupiter, thanks to its size and gravity. That makes the possibility of extinction due to asteroids very rare. It's really amazing how lucky we are. Everything is in a perfect position and state to keep us safe. Anyways, the answer to your question is, if there was no Jupiter, just say goodbye to Earth.